So growing up, I used to fish all the time. Like if you look around me, we have all type of fishermen. Look to my right, we got people with fish. If you look to my left, we got people with fish, right? So we're gonna go around asking people what they caught today. So let's start with this guy. So around this Virginia flyer place, we have a lot of people who like to fish. Including myself, I am actually a 3-time world champion fisherman. I caught like 3 sharks already. I caught a great white before. So back in 2006, I did go on to compete against world fishermen, in which I did win because I am the best. I'm going to give this news how to fish, teach them how to fish today. So look around me. We have all type of fish in this world. Shark, Nemo, Dory, all that. Okay, so right here I was telling you guys that fish are more active during the night. You can't hear me because of the audio, so I apologize for that. If you have made it this far, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos I'm going to be posting. Yeah, have a nice day.